بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رب زدني علما.
Okay, the next thing we'll move on with the next section. So probably in this section, we'll try to understand some of the terminologies relating to wireless LAN. Like probably in this video, we'll start with SSID first. Now, SSID stands for Service Set Identifier. So it is the name for your Wi-Fi network or the wireless network. So normally, if you take a simple example, the screenshot of your laptops. So whenever you click on your wireless signals, like here, if I click on my laptop, you can see these are the different name of the wireless signals what I can receive and I can connect to if I know the passwords. And you can see I'm connecting to my home network, my home dealing network. That is the Wi-Fi network which I'm connected here. A similar way, if you're using your smartphones, you'll find that Wi-Fi network option from where you can connect to any of the Wi-Fi networks. Now, typically this Wi-Fi SSID, that Wi-Fi name is called SSID, Service Set Identifier, and this is configured on your access points. Now, typically this is the name where the clients will be using to identify and join the wireless networks. Like the examples, it can be an airport Wi-Fi or the examples whatever I have shown you just now. These are some of the examples. So if I try to get into the wireless network here, so if I go to my browser and this is the IP address of my wireless device 192.168.15.1. So that's a network to which I'm connected. So this is again typically a broadband router. So this is not a dedicated access point. It's a broadband router which is again having inbuilt access point along with the WAN connection as well as the LAN connection. So just for you to understand how it looks, I'm using this. So use the credentials. So I'm just going with the defaults here. Click on login, and this is what you will see. Now you can find the details here. You can find the details like the vendor, the product, and probably the IP address of that particular device, the MAC address, and all the details here you'll find. And if you want to see your wireless SSID configurations, I think you can go to the wireless option here, and you can see this is the SSID name what I have configured, and of course this is the mode or the IEEE standard which it is using. And of course the channels, these are like a little bit technical terms we'll see in the later on sections, and also the pre-shared key. Now here this is the password what we'll configure to ensure that whoever is going to connect to this Wi-Fi network he's going to enter this product the pre-shared key, and once he provides the pre-shared key he will be able to connect to the Wi-Fi network.